Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about SUI token, which has been on an absolute tear right now. So let's waste no more time and talk about what's really happening. So you're looking at SUI up 30.5% on the daily time frame, so it's up quite substantially compared to yesterday. If you didn't even watch the yesterday's update, we were seeing some positive news due to the grayscale trust for SUI. And again, as the market moved towards the upside, as we did see Bitcoin breaking towards $61,000 today, SUI is definitely keeping that momentum that it had, and it's almost approaching 85 cents right now. So if you picked up SUI right now, I'm sure you guys are really excited. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 83.65 cents, up 30% in USD and also 22.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market valuation is back above $2 billion, to be exact, $2.17 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about $407 million. So things are looking absolutely amazing for SUI right now. If you're looking at the dominance index, exactly what we spoke about over the course of the last few updates, is that the dominance is breaking towards all-time highs pretty much day by day, and you're really seeing that play, even though Bitcoin actually broke out towards the upside, which indeed is a bullish news. Again, the stock market opened up on actually a positive note, and Bitcoin reacted to that news itself. And of course, we have some very bullish news coming out of Russia, and again, that is a huge catalyst behind this massive move for Bitcoin. And dominance, but continuously is going towards the upside. And again, a lot of speculation now, a lot of conversation around the crypto space revolving around a new all-time high for Bitcoin, and that is something we've been speaking about on the channel pretty much prior to this massive manipulation that we did see over the course of the last week and a half. So pretty much dominance is going up right now, but altcoins are definitely feeling the love right now across the board because of Bitcoin's move right now. So you can see this for yourself. Right after the Russia news came out, Bitcoin had this massive green candle, about a 14% move towards the upside, guys. And the most important thing right now is this Russian news is bigger than you expected. And on top of that, the stock market did perform quite well. But the craziest thing that you want to actually be looking at is we're pretty much seeing Bitcoin back above that key resistance mark, above 60K psychological price point. A very nice thing to see if you are monitoring Bitcoin price. Of course, it's still not above the confirmation level that I set for myself, which is at around $64,000, but I do believe we will start heading there. So far so good. Market looking absolutely amazing, back in the 23.6 fib zone. But if you're looking at SUI right now, guys, this thing is absolutely on an absolute tear. So if I were to just bring out the measuring tool, guys, you can make this up just on August 5th. If you are a true believer on SUI and you were accumulating it around this time, where honestly, let's actually be quite straight up, no one was picking up SUI around this price point except the ones that actually truly believe in SUI's overall potential. And look at it, guys, these big asset managers, institutions, these guys know how to play the market. Right as the price goes down to 50 cents, you hear this announcement come out. Why didn't they make this announcement at $2.19? Why didn't they make it at $1.86? Why did they have to wait till here? Because these guys know how to take advantage. And do you really think that these guys did not pick it up at a cheaper price? They definitely did, and you can see this for yourself. You are up right now in just a matter of, I would say, 2 days, 70% on SUI in a snap of a finger. And again, layer ones are on an absolute tear. There's still a lot of excitement between the layer ones, especially the new ones coming on the block. And as I've said to you guys in the past updates, SUI is one of the blockchains that a lot of people are excited about, and some people even think that it is the most underdog blockchain out there that a lot of people sleep on. And again, if you've done your due diligence research, you could really see that these guys are not playing around at all. So, it doesn't surprise me at all that, we do see Grayscale coming in with the trust, and, this move that we're seeing right now speaks for itself. But now if you're looking at the price itself, even though we have seen like a God candle, what they call this, you are seeing some massive resistance coming in its way, which we actually spoke about. So if this resistance is able to break out, you still need need to see that 90 cents resistance breaking out. We actually were above there back in June, before breaking below it. Obviously, we've seen a retest back in June 23rd to get past that, as well as just last month. But both times it was a rejection. But you do need to see this price actually breaking towards the upside and turning into support before we start heading towards the next key levels, which is around the dollar price point. Of course, a very, very psychological price point, but I do think that would be that next target for SUI if it's able to maintain this price action that it's seeing and actually turn this resistance into support. So I'm really, really liking what I'm seeing right now. It's actually performing amazing right now, and I'm sure anyone that was picking up SUI around that price point is extremely happy. If you got in around that price point, guys, let me know in the comments, because I really want to know from you guys if you got in at that price point. But yeah, that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, and yeah, I appreciate you guys for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow, and also let me know if you want to see more SUI updates. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.